Welcome back to the Tavern, fellow adventurers. I'm Paul Pape, your barkeep and game master. So we've covered a lot of ground building your creative business foundation, and now it's time to talk about something that every adventurer needs, but most creatives never get: a shield. Today, we're talking about creative boundaries, the protection that every creative entrepreneur needs, but feels guilty about using. Because here's the thing: you can't win every battle. You can't take every project, and you can't save every client from themselves. Most creative entrepreneurs have terrible boundaries because we're taught that saying no means missing opportunities. We think boundaries are selfish or unprofessional or will hurt our reputation. But here's what actually happens without boundaries. You end up working weekends. You accept projects that drain your soul. You let clients text you at midnight, and you say yes to every quick favor until your creative fire burns out completely. That's not being professional. That's being a pushover. And pushover businesses don't last. Boundaries aren't walls that keep opportunities out. They're shields that protect your creative energy so you can do your best work for the right people. The clients who respect your boundaries become your best clients. The ones who fight your boundaries, they were going to be problems anyways. There are three types of boundaries every creative business needs, and I call them shields because they protect what matters most. Shield 1 is time boundaries: when you work, when you don't work, and how your clients can reach you. This means no checking emails after dinner, no weekend revisions unless it's a genuine emergency, and definitely no quick calls during the creative flow time. Boundary 2, scope boundaries: what's included in your project and what isn't. Every time a client says, while you're at it, or just one more thing, you're under attack by the scope creeper, and it's one of the most dangerous creatures in the creative business world. Shield 3, energy boundaries: the types of projects and clients that energize you versus the ones that drain you. Now, not every project is worth taking, even if it pays well. Some clients will suck the life out of your business. Now, these shields don't make you difficult to work with, they make you someone worth working with. So here's the secret to boundary setting: you present them as your professional process, not personal preferences. It's not, I don't want to work weekends. It's, my creative process requires focused time blocks to deliver the best results. For time boundaries, you might want to say, I respond to emails within 24 hours during business days. For urgent matters, here's my process. And then you define what actually constitutes urgent. For scope boundaries, that's outside our current project scoped, but I'd be happy to create a separate proposal for that addition. It would impact our timeline and budget in these ways. So for energy boundaries, you simply don't bid on projects that drain you. You can say, this doesn't align with my current focus, or I'm not the right fit for this project, but I can recommend someone who specializes in that area. Remember, good clients want to work with professionals who have clear processes. Boundary pushers are usually problem clients anyways. Your boundaries help you identify the difference early. So here's your quest for this week. I want you to write down your 3 biggest boundary problems in your creative business. What are your clients asking for that drains your energy or disrupts your best work? Then create one simple, professional response for each boundary. Practice saying them out loud until they feel natural, not defensive. Your boundaries are your professional standards, not personal quirks. And here's the wisdom of the week. Boundaries don't push good clients away, they attract them. When you protect your creative energy and professional process, you do better work. Better work attracts better clients who respect your boundaries. The best creative businesses aren't built by people who say yes to everything. They're built by people who know what to protect and how to protect it. So that's today's quest, fellow adventurers. When you identify your boundary challenges this week, share one in the comments. You'll be amazed how many other creatives face the same boundary battles. And next time in the Tavern, we're tackling the time dragon: how to create creative schedules that actually work with your natural rhythms instead of against them. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Until next time, keep creating Keep adventuring, and remember, business is an adventure. Don't be an NPC. Cheers.